Welcome to the future of TTRPG infrastructure. This is GM Copilot, Masterwork Edition, the industry's first edge-cached AI operating system designed for near-zero latency storytelling. We don't just help you prep, we eliminate the prep barrier entirely. Let's start by creating a completely new monster from just a simple concept. I'll type Void-Stalking Displacement Beast to see what our AI can generate. We simply click Draft Monster and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Watch as the system instantly generates a complete stat block for our Void Stalker. Notice how it interprets our concept and creates comprehensive stats, abilities, and lore. Here we can see the clean Markdown version for copying into any digital format or campaign notes. Let's review the full stat block. You'll see detailed abilities, tactical suggestions, and balanced mechanics that would normally take hours to craft manually. You can see how quickly the AI generates a complete monster stat block. Now, let's verify the accuracy of its challenge rating calculation. Let's verify our monster's balance with the deterministic challenge rating audit. The system instantly analyzes both defensive and offensive metrics to calculate the precise challenge rating. We can review the complete breakdown to ensure our monster provides the encounter difficulty. Let's explore the full range of tools available in the Copilot suite. Let's explore the full range of Copilot tools available for managing your campaign. The navigation menu provides instant access to all our specialized GM tools. First, let's check out Live Tabletop for real-time session support. Here's our AI Combat Director, ready to assist with encounter management during live play. Let's dive into Campaign Lore to see our knowledge management tools. We can see all the active lore tools that help maintain campaign consistency. Let's access PDF Lore Chat, which enables intelligent queries against uploaded campaign materials. This comprehensive suite ensures every aspect of your campaign is intelligently supported and easily accessible. You now have a complete overview of the Copilot tool suite and its core capabilities. Let's dive into the Living World Simulator to see how your campaign evolves dynamically. Let's access the Living World Simulator to see how our campaign world dynamically responds to player actions. The simulator loads instantly, ready to process any major world events or consequences. We'll input a dramatic scenario where players burned down the town hall and killed all the men, a major world-changing event that needs realistic consequences. With one click, we can advance time by a full week to see how the world realistically reacts. The AI instantly generates comprehensive simulation results, showing exactly how this tragedy would ripple through the community. Look at these detailed consequences: political upheaval, economic impacts, social changes. Everything a GM needs to create believable, living campaign worlds. Let's switch gears and dive into the administrative dashboard to examine our enterprise and user analytics. Let's navigate to the Welcome Hub to access our enterprise-level tools. Here, we can see all the active tools available in our Copilot suite. We'll access the admin dashboard for comprehensive analytics. With secure authentication, we gain immediate access to our enterprise analytics and due diligence dashboard. Here, we can instantly review our acquisition funnel performance and session retention metrics to understand user engagement patterns. That covers all the analytics and user insights you need to track performance. Now let's check on the platform's overall health and operational costs. Let's dive into our platform health metrics by checking the Health P99 tab. Performance is our moat. While legacy VTTs struggle with server-side lag, we maintain a 0.94 second P99 latency standard. Every generation is optimized via Redis Edge-Caching, ensuring the story never stops for a loading bar. Let's switch to our FinOps Dashboard to examine cost optimization. Scalability is hard-coded into our business logic. Our due diligence dashboard tracks real-time MRR and the massive financial impact of our Semantic Normalizer, proving our readiness for the May 30th acquisition threshold. That covers platform monitoring and wraps up our look at the GM Copilot Masterwork Edition. You now have tools to create monsters, run living worlds, and track everything from one dashboard. We built this to make your job as a game master easier.